Hello friends, so today I'm going to show you how to make a U-turn. Making a U-turn is very simple and straightforward. So you must go closer to the curb, obviously, and you want to make sure that the light is green. Never make a U-turn on a red light. So the light I'm approaching right now is red, and when making a U-turn you want to make sure that there's no cars trying to run a red light. And now it's safe. I will also make sure that the car on that side is not trying to make a right turn. So when you make a U-turn, you want to go into the second lane from the left. A lot of people feel that they have to go into the leftmost lane, but unlike left turns, you don't have to do this, right? In left turns, yes, you have to go to the leftmost lane and then you switch to the right lane on the test. But when you make a U-turn, you can straight away go into the second lane or the third lane. If you're a new driver, you're having difficulty making sharper turns, well, the second lane is still not sharp, but that's okay even if you go to the rightmost lane. So I'm going to show you another one. I'm approaching the light, so it is a green light. Now there is a car coming. I'm going to wait for that car to pass because I want to make a safe U-turn. So when you make a U-turn, you become slow. So you want to be sure that, that there's no car coming. Now it is safe, and I'm going to turn the wheel all the way to the left and accelerate and let the wheel straighten out by itself. Just like the way I explained in the turn videos, right? So how to allow the wheel to straighten out by itself. So I am in the second lane, and now, from here you can decide whether you want to go to the rightmost lane or you want to go to the leftmost lane, depending on what direction you're heading. So that's how simple it is to make a U-turn. And you should also know when and when you can and cannot make a U-turn. So let me tell you in what situations you should not make a U-turn. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then do give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to bring a lot of new driver videos. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again with another video.